It's happening. Cardano Alonzo date closing in. ADA price in rocky territory. On the 13th of August, the price of the token Cardano spiked over the $2 handle, nearing the crypto asset's all-time high that took place 3 months ago. Cardano's price jump derived from a video announcement stemming from Cardano's Nigel Hemsley when he explained the Cardano network would upgrade on September 12, 2021. The highly anticipated Alonzo Purple upgrade aims to boost the Cardano project with fully functional, advanced smart contract solutions. Today we're going to talk all about the Cardano Alonzo upgrade date and how ADA price is reacting to it. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 16th of August, shall we? Cardano price has been able to surge above $2 for the first time since May 19th on the news of the Alonzo upgrade date. The network's upgrade will take place on September 12th, as revealed by the development company behind the blockchain, IOHK. ADA reached the target of a prevailing chart pattern and is beginning to retrace. Cardano price to face a stiff hurdle ahead. Cardano price was able to rally off of the announcement of the Alonzo upgrade date. Previously, skeptics have been speculating on whether the network would be able to support smart contracts by the end of September. The team behind Cardano stated that the blockchain is targeting September 12th for the update, which will bring smart contracts to the network through a hard fork combinator event. The Alonzo upgrade will bring in advanced smart contract solutions and decentralized finance protocols, becoming one of the main competitors against Ethereum. Following a 40% gain in the past week, Cardano is now the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, recording over $66 billion. On the 4-hour chart, Cardano price formed a bull flag that started on August 9th, targeting a 27% rally according to the measurements from the flagpole. ADA eventually reached the bullish aim, reaching a high of $2.24. Following recording a multi-month high, Cardano price appeared to be headed for a correction after ADA was rejected by a critical level of resistance at the 78.6% Fibonacci extension level at $2.16. The into the blocks, in out of the money around price, IOMAP, metric also indicates that the aforementioned level of resistance seems to be a strong obstacle for Cardano price going forward, with a large cluster of 72.860 addresses that bought 1.58 billion ADA at an average price of $2.17. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano is looking to upgrade the network in the near future, as IOHK's Nigel Hemsley revealed the project plans to launch the upgrade on September 12th. In a tweet, Input Output IOHK also explained the upgrade will happen on the same date mentioned in the video. The name Alonzo derives from the mathematician and computer scientist Alonzo Church. The Alonzo implementation has been slowly upgraded by colored-coded stages, with the final being purple. It's happening, IOHK says. We're targeting 12th of September 2021 for the Alonzo upgrade, bringing smart contracts to Cardano via a hard fork combinator HFC event. Find out more about the journey to a new era of smart contracts, DeFi, and more for Cardano ADA. Essentially, the Cardano community believes Alonzo will usher in advanced smart contract solutions and decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols. While the biggest features stemming from Alonzo will be smart contracts and DeFi, the upgrade aims to bolster concepts like tokenization and non-fungible token ideas. Additionally, it has been said that ERC20 tokens deriving from Ethereum will be able to be leveraged on the Cardano chain. Cardano has been criticized for quite some time, as the community was promised fully functional, advanced smart contracts and other features. Skeptics have even bet on whether or not the Cardano network will support smart contracts by October 1st, 2021. The Polymarket bet used to show the odds were against the project, but now 87% say Cardano will succeed and only 13% say it won't. Cardano spiked 45% this week, 1,365% against the dollar in 12 months. Rumors of something special on August 13th have been buzzing about in the Cardano community all last week. While Cardano ADA jumped more than 16% on Friday, the crypto asset is up over 45% during the last 7 days. 1-month stats show ADA is up 61%, and year-to-date, ADA has gained a whopping 1,365%. Started by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano is a blockchain that aims to compete with Ethereum and other decentralized application platforms, but as an avowedly more scalable, secure, and efficient alternative. Any growth in the price of cryptocurrencies is either directly caused by positive news driving up sentiment among buyers, or a growth in tandem with the overall market trend. Yuri Mazur, head of data analytics at crypto trading platform CEX.io broker, wrote via email. Cardano's highly anticipated Alonzo upgrade is also a good reason for investors to stack up the coin. The optimism has also risen in a prediction market started in July that allows participants to bet on whether Cardano can release smart contract functionality by October 1st. As of press time, the betting contract, which pays out $1 of the stablecoin USDC if Cardano succeeds in meeting the timeline, was trading at 85 cents. That's up 30 cents on July 18th when the market was first launched. Another great news for Cardano was that Japanese crypto exchange BitPoint announced on its website that ADA is currently scheduled to be listed on its platform in late August. As for the Cardano project, BitPoint said that because it is designed with high scalability, it's expected that many dApps will be developed and used by the introduction of smart contract technology that will be implemented in the future, and further growth of the ecosystem and protocol will be achieved. According to the analyst, Cardano's large community and the fact that early investors were fully vested long ago are signs of ADA's strength. Analysts expected ADA to reach $4 to $5 by the end of the year, assuming Bitcoin sees another slingshot to the upside in September or October, which is likely. Despite the optimism, the crypto KOL still concerns that there's not seem to be a comprehensive list of crypto projects that will be deploying on the Cardano blockchain. Moreover, the network also lacks cross-chain bridges with other key cryptocurrency blockchains. All the updates we discussed today have been a long time coming. Whether it's protocol developments, partnerships, or integrations, the years of hard work put in by IOHK, Emergo, and the Cardano Foundation are starting to come to the fore. The craziest part is that this is just the beginning for Cardano. This is as terrifying as it is exciting because so much is riding on a successful smart contract rollout. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.